Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Windows Mobility Center in Windows 11, 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Mobility Center, open Turn off Windows Mobility Center. Check Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.